This is the Secam Raptor outdoor wildlife camera. It's a PIR activated camera, ideal for monitoring wildlife outdoors, but also for surveillance, for keeping a watch on intruders, trespassers, or even tradespeople in the home to see what they get up to and whether or not they go into rooms they shouldn't. Anyway, let's have a look at the camera. It's certainly very well packaged. And this is the camera itself, but there are also other inclusions within the box as well. There's a very useful and very clear instruction manual. Admittedly, this one is in German, but it's also a sample camera. But you can see there the detail it goes into, even how to set it up, how to fasten it, the menus and all its features. One of the best guides I've ever seen there. Some additional leaflets, and then the usual items I would expect to see included, including the webbing strap for wrapping it around tree trunks or posts, the USB connection cable, and a cable for connecting to a TV or monitor, complete with audio as well. Of most interest, of course, is looking at the camera itself. I've got probably one of each camera that's currently available on the market, or at least not far off. We've been using them for several years. We use them at home for monitoring hedgehogs and wildlife, but also on our meadow and in our woodland, where we have deer, foxes, badgers and an occasional wild boar as well. So we do like to monitor what comes and goes. Now this camera, I can see from first impressions, is a superior build. I'm looking specifically at the clips here where it clips onto the mounting bracket, and these are quite sophisticated, very well made, strong and sturdy. So they're the best clips I've seen so far on a camera. Easy to use, and they'll also be easy to use with cold or wet fingers as well, which is obviously quite important for an outdoor camera. So obviously a clip at each side, and then the front of the camera lifts off. This is the camera when separated from the back. It has the black LEDs, the camera and the PIR sensors, which obviously activate the camera. Build quality is superb. There's a monitor here, control buttons here, and with this brass screw fastening, this opens the flap to reveal the batteries. I won't open that compartment now, I'll come to that in just a moment. I was also very pleased to see that an SD card is provided, and not just a cheapie but a good SanDisk card there. Very, very good to see. Everything fits smoothly. It has a good weatherproof seal there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a rubber seal on there. Again, the best build quality that I've seen on an outdoor camera like this. And you don't see many that actually have the screw fitting as well. Very good. That's not just a plastic flimsy clip that's going to break. All the settings are accessed and changed via these buttons here. I'll switch it on, press the OK button, and then look at the menus. Nice clear menu screens here with lots of options for the camera and or video. It can do either, so it's photo and video, just video or just photo, but we'll be greedy and go for both. You can adjust the image size, 5 megapixels, 8 megapixels or 12. A single shot or multi-shot, right up to 5 still photos. Go midway and have 3. The video can be right up to full HD or VGA. The video length can be set right up to 59 seconds, but we'll go for 15, which is a good compromise. You can set a delay if you wish, go for time-lapse or set a timer, but I don't need any of those, so we'll just go for the straightforward camera settings. And now we can look again at the back of the camera. So because the main batteries are stored in the base of the camera, if I wanted to change those, this can be a problem on some cameras. They have a tray that pulls out, and then as soon as you take the batteries out you lose all the settings. But this doesn't happen on this camera because it's got the contacts here. So replace the back of the camera, fasten the clips, the very nice clips, and now I could change all these batteries over and have the camera taking power from the set in the back here, which means that the camera need never be reset, unless of course both sets of batteries die. And on the subject of the batteries, these are all provided with the camera, and again not just unbranded junk batteries but good quality Varta industrial alkaline batteries. It will also run on rechargeables as well, but the alkaline do tend to give better performance with camera traps. So that is an overview of the camera. So what I need to do now is set it up and hope that the wildlife haven't gone shy. We'll soon find out. I'll leave it running for a few days and see what footage we get, and hopefully include some on this review video.